Racing Jazz is started. We have Don Pedro. Break quickly restart. Running by the release pa. Getting pababa. And then rushing up. Not on the inside. Now is a saving. Sunset and going along for the first turn. We have Don Pedro on its favorite position as the pace setter. Enjoying a link and he half lead. Saving Sunset in second. Moving up in the middle portion is right or wrong. And on the outside now is a Tenacity. Is getting pababa comes next. Alongside now is a Point of Pride and followed now by Etnad. Then moving up on the outside is an Impressive Victory. And a long way back to Mythic Layla. And Jasmine is racing in last. Inside the tres octavo we have Don Pedro enjoying a link lead. Then moving up now on the outside is right or wrong. Tenacity is getting pababa comes next. Saving Sunset then followed now by Seven of Diamonds. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Don Pedro is still in control by our link and hub. Right or wrong remains in second. Moving up on the outside. Third is getting pababa. We have Don Pedro this time by about 2 lengths. Is getting pababa is on the outside. And entering the finish line is going to be getting pababa. Don Pedro. Mythic Layla close with
NAD 57283, unofficial order of arrival, quarter clockings of the unofficial winners getting pababa, doing 14, 23, 24, finishing at 28 and a fraction per total time of 1 minute 29.4.